In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks Desktop. If you want to download transactions directly into QuickBooks and make your bookkeeping process faster, connecting your bank feeds is a great place to start. Once this is set up, QuickBooks can help bring in your banking and credit card activity so you can review and match transactions more efficiently. To begin, go to the top menu bar inside QuickBooks Desktop. From there, select Banking, then choose Bank Feeds and click Set up Bank Feed. This will open the area where you can start linking your financial accounts. Next, in the Bank Accounts list, select the account you want to connect. Make sure you choose the correct account in QuickBooks before moving forward, since this connection will be tied to that specific bank or credit card account in your company file. After selecting the account, click Set up Bank Feed to continue. At this point, the Bank Feed Setup window will appear. In that window, search for your bank or credit card provider and select it from the list. QuickBooks works with many financial institutions, so if your bank appears, just choose it and move on to the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully because the exact screens may vary slightly depending on the bank you're connecting. During setup, QuickBooks will guide you through logging in to your bank's portal. Enter your banking credentials only in the secure sign-in window provided as part of the connection process. Then continue through the prompts to authorize QuickBooks to access your account data. This authorization step is what allows QuickBooks Desktop to communicate with your bank and bring in transaction information. As you go through the setup, make sure to follow each screen closely. Some banks may ask for additional verification, such as a security code or confirmation step, before the connection is completed. That's normal, and it's part of the bank's security process. Once you finish the prompts for your selected bank, your bank and credit card connection setup should be complete. After that, you'll be ready to start working with your downloaded transactions inside QuickBooks Desktop. And that's all there is to it. By setting up your bank feeds correctly, you can save time, reduce manual entry, and keep your records more up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.